Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make this shell and hoop necklace. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is wire wrap our shell, and we're going to do that using wire. I'm just going to string my wire onto my shell pendant and put it in the middle, and then I'm going to push both sides of the wire up to where they crisscross at the top. And then I'm going to take one of the wires and I'm going to bend it at the center of the pendant and bend it straight up so that it's like this. And then I'm going to take the other wire that we didn't bend straight up. I'm going to wrap that around. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to put them at the top here. And then I'm going to bend the wire so that it's got a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to take my pliers and put it at the top of the wire, and I'm going to bend it around to where it creates a loop. And then I'm going to hold it at the top of the loop, and I'm just going to coil this around until it matches up with the bottom. And then I'm going to cut that off. Just going to make sure everything's straight and ready to go. And then I'm going to take my 4mm jump ring, and it's already open, so I'm just going to open it a little bit wider. And I'm going to string on my shell, and then I'm going to string on my hoop. Then I'm going to put my pliers back there and just gently close that. And then I want to do the same thing with another jump ring because I really like the way that it looks when I have two jump rings side by side. I think it just adds a whole lot. So I'm going to add another one. And then I'm going to put my pliers on either side and close that. And then I'm going to use two jump rings to attach the next hoop. I'm just going to open it a little bit wider. Attach the big hoop and then attach the little hoop. And then I want to do the same thing with this next jump ring. I'm just going to open it a little bit wider. And string on both those hoops. And close that. And then this chain is a pre-done chain that we already have online. This one's a 16-inch, although you can get them in different lengths if you prefer one that's longer or a different style. And I'm going to attach this using a jump ring. So I'm just going to open that up a little bit wider. And I'm going to put the chain on, and I'm going to put the hoop on. And then I'm going to close it up. And then I'm going to do the same thing with one more jump ring. And gently close that last jump ring. And you go. Thanks so much for watching. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.